Hey, hi guys, this is Arpita Tulsian here. I hope you all are doing good. Yes, so I'm here today to share this happy news with you all. We have launched the seventh edition of the law books, that is paper 4 for CA final examinations for the upcoming November 21 examinations. This is the seventh edition book. So I just wanted to give you information about it, about the coverage and the content of this book. First of all, this time the book is applicable only for the new syllabus students. This is the seventh edition book applicable specifically for the November 2021 examinations, which are the upcoming examinations. As usual, the book has been divided into four volumes: company law, two volumes, economic laws, two volumes, one content book, the other one is your question bank, as you can see here on the board. Company Law Volume 1 is your content book, which contains all the provisions from your exam point of view, which is relevant from your ICAI study material, some provisions which are relevant from your bare law. Everything has been covered up there in Volume 1. Similarly, when we go to volume 2 talks about the question bank of company law, which is again divided into two parts. The first part is the subjective question answers, and the second part is going to be the MCQs. Similarly, for economic laws, I'm not telling allied laws this time because the book is not applicable for the old syllabus. This is applicable solely for the new syllabus. For economic laws, again, similarly, we have divided it into volume 3 and volume 4. Volume 3 is again your content book. All the relevant provisions have been covered there. And volume 4 is again your question bank. And as you can see here, this time company law question bank has got 888 questions in it, subjective plus MCQs both together, plus the integrated MCQs and the case study based MCQs. Everything has been included there. And economic laws question bank has got 1, 1, 2, 3 questions. So if you add up both, then we have got 2011 questions, odd 2011 questions in our book, which is, if you cover each and every question sincerely, then definitely you know what is going to be the result. Yes, if I talk about the coverage, then content point of view, everything has been covered from your ICAI material as well as the bare law, as I have told you. When we go to question bank, your exam papers till Jan 2021 examinations, till there it has been covered. Wherever required, proper answers have been given. At some places where we have direct questions, proper hints of the reference section number that has been provided. RTP till your May 21 RTP has been covered there. When we talk about the mock papers, the recently released mock papers of the April 2021 series, till there we have covered in our book. Module, all the questions from your ICAI material has been covered. Last time ICAI had come up with this 100 MCQs and the 30 case studies, those have been incorporated here. So, whatever is the possible resource and which has been provided by the ICAI, plus some extra MCQs, plus some extra questions, those have been put up in your book in a proper manner. So this is the coverage of the same. I'll just show you the glimpse of the book. I have the volume 3 open with me, that is the content book for economic laws. I'll just show the content part to you. Acha, one more thing that we have done this time is we have included the marks distribution, like a particular chapter had what weightage in the past exams, and since the book is for new course, so we have included it from the May 18 exam, and on an average what has been the weightage over these many attempts, we have put a column also for that, so that if at all you want to use that while your studies or while analyzing, you can do that, right? Acha, now see, this is the content. The first chapter, that is your money laundering. So the main headings have been written in black. The main content has been written in blue ink. Whatever are the important keywords which we generally underline while reading the answers, that has been written in red here. Whatever are the amendments, those amendments have been highlighted in green color. And I have written there that as of now these amendments were not included in your ICAI material. I have included it here because they have been notified by the law, but this will be subjected to the notification given by the ICAI in the RTP. If they notify, then this will be applicable. If they don't notify, then this won't be applicable, right? And similarly, the entire content has been covered up here. Acha, besides every particular, question or a content or this thing, concept, I have given the reference of the question number from the subjective question book. Like if you go to question number 3 and check it in your question bank, then that question will be on payment system. So mapping has been done accordingly. So you'll come to know, like, just see this section number 4. So many times it has been asked. So basically, you'll come to know that which one is important, which one is not important, or which one to be done again, or something like that. Achha, then at the end of the chapter, so this is the content coverage. Then I'll just show it to you. At the end of the chapter, we have got this summary. This is the summary of all the important time periods, just like, when we get into law, etc. Appeal time periods come, multiple 6 months, 3 months, 90 days, 30 days, etc. So I have summarized it for every particular chapter. And similarly, penalties, punishments have been summarized in the table. And more importantly, all the provisions, okay, all the provisions of the chapter. This is super quick revision of important provisions of the entire chapter. So, whenever you fall short of time, you can just use these tables and you can do the revision. Like the entire chapter, which is of maybe around 30 pages, that gets revised. Obviously, the important provision that gets revised in these 2 pages. So you can use this table for the content thing, the above table for the penalties thing, and before that the table which was given for the time periods, right? And at the end of every chapter, we have left a blank page if at all you want to write something extra or whatever thing you want to write. And this thing has been done for every particular chapter. Wherever possible, we have used such diagrams so that it becomes very simple for you to understand. So this way the content book is designed. Similarly, it is done for the company law, same pattern. I'll just show you the question bank also. So this is your volume 4, that is question bank of economic laws. So here we have like on the first page, I have taken all the direct questions which can be directly answered, like the definition type of things. And then we start with the case study based questions. As you can see here, means they have, they have basically asked a question, they have framed a situation, and in that manner they have asked a question. So those have been included here. Answers have been given. Reference, that when was this question asked in your ICAI exam, RTP, mock, etc. That reference has been given. One extra thing that I have done this time here is I have marked a few must do questions. That is, many a time students ask me, ma'am, you have put 2000 plus questions in the book. What are you expecting us to do on the last day? So for that purpose, whatever I felt important or whichever questions I felt important, I have marked those questions as must do. This has been done for all the chapters of economic laws plus all the chapters of company law. Okay, so this way basically your question bank is designed. These are your subjective questions, and when we go to the next part of the book, then you'll find the MCQs. Just like here, MCQs are there. At the end of the page, the answers have been given, and all the relevant MCQs, etc. Everything has been included here. This is common for your economic laws and this is common for your company law. So this is how the book has been made. Basically, this is one such book where you'll find the entire content, where you'll find the subjective question answers, where you'll find the one-liner MCQs, where you'll find the integrated MCQs, that is case study based MCQs, plus the revision, charts, or not charts exactly, the revision tables, plus the summary tables for the penalties and time periods. So I have put all my heart in this book and I've just made it for you so that, maybe if you use it, then it will be definitely helpful for you. And as of now, the books are into printing. Books would be available. The dispatches of the books would be happening from approximately 20th of May onward. The books are into printing already. We have covered all the amendments till 30th April 2021. That is the cutoff date for the November examinations. So we have covered all the possible amendments. If at all ICAI does anything plus, minus, etc., then as always, I'll be notifying you by way of a sheet or by way of a video, that what is to be done, what is to be cut. Yes, the physical books can be ordered. If at all you wish to study from this book, it can be ordered from my website, that is arpitatulsian.com. If you want to see a sample chapter before you go with this book, then in that case, you can just go to the same website. In the free resources section, free notes section, you can download a particular chapter and then you can take a call whether you want to study from this book or not. And do let me know if you like this book. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best for your exams. Stay safe, all of you. Thank you so much.